So you ain't out there spending 40 more hours. The point of financial freedom is to also have the freedom to do what you want to do. The only thing you should be obligated to is the primary job where you're spending 8 hours because that's your consistent check. The rest of it is mastering this side hustle so that eventually you get it to the point where it's a main hustle. You want to save more money while you got a job? Discipline yourself and saying, okay, I'm not going to pay on that. Decrease this bill into it. You just cut back on things that are unnecessary. They just nice to have. Like every week you go out to the bar and you spend $65 a weekend. You go out to eat. So the first thing you do when you have a job and you want to save more money is to delegate your finances, which means pay for the things that are necessary, your utilities, all your insurances, your rent, gas. You have to get food to survive. But what you don't need to do is buy top brands that got terrible stuff in it anyway. Unless you're spending money on Whole Foods or organic foods, don't spend money just because it's a popular brand. Eat healthier. It might cost you more money to eat healthier, but it's the thing on the side of that list that aren't necessity expense. Because the key to having more money, make more in a month than you have to pay a month.